Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for business purposes. ChatGPT can be used for various business purposes such as customer service, marketing, and sales. Here are some ways to use ChatGPT for business purposes. Customer service. ChatGPT can be used to provide customer service 24/7. Customers can ask questions and get immediate answers without having to wait for a human customer service representative. This can help businesses reduce their customer service costs while improving customer satisfaction. Marketing. ChatGPT can be used to create conversational marketing experience. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can engage with customers in more personalized and natural way. They can ask questions to understand the customer's need and recommend products or services that meet those needs. Sales. ChatGPT can be used to assist sales team in qualifying leads and setting appointments. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can engage with leads and ask qualifying questions to determine if they are a good fit for the business products or services. Once a lead is qualified, the chatbot can set an appointment with a sales representative. Knowledge management. ChatGPT can be used to create a knowledge management system for business. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can answer frequently asked questions and provide information about the business products and services. To use ChatGPT for business purposes, you can use one of the many chatbot building platforms available in the market such as Dialogflow, ManyChat, or TARS. These platforms allow you to create chatbots powered by ChatGPT without any coding knowledge. Alternatively, you can also hire a developer to build a custom chatbot for your business setting ChatGPT. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!